In the ever-advancing medical field, the boundary between life and death is more complex than ever before. Invariably, it is entrusted to medical professionals to help clarify the situation at an often confusing and emotionally stressful time. Considering someone for organ and tissue donation at the end of life can seem to complicate things even further and is often avoided. This need not be the case. I'm David Thompson, a critical care specialist and a transplant surgeon at Groote Schuur Hospital and the University of Cape Town. Welcome to Organ Donation, From Death to Life, a 4-week course for medical professionals, students, and anyone interested in learning more about organ donation. We've come a long way since the first heart transplant. The number of potential donors is greater than ever before. There are good results from extended criteria donors and donors after circulatory death. And yet the gap between those needing a transplant and the number of organ donors continues to grow. In this course, we will cover how to correctly clinically certify brain death, its history, the mechanism, the testing process, ethical principles in end-of-life care, donation after circulatory death, and the influence of culture, religion, and money on organ donation. We will also go into how best to deal with a grieving family and ask for consent, because without permission, there can be no organ donation. How compassionately we make the organ donation request can influence how likely the family will be to consent to donating their loved one's organs. Every time we don't get it right, an opportunity for potential donation may be missed. A single donor can save up to 10 lives. Up to 60 lives can be profoundly altered by tissue donation. And a donor's family can find great solace from the fact that their tragedy has helped others immeasurably. Come take our course if you are a medical professional, work in the healthcare field, or simply want to be more informed about organ donation. Let us show you how it all happens, what it takes to make it happen, and how we can improve. No one can do everything, but everyone can do something. Let's make a difference.